Rebecca Schaefer-Smith. I'm currently a postdoctoral research associate. I would say there are many things that make me proud to be a woman in STEM. I'm proud of my accomplishments academically and professionally. I'm also just so inspired to see what other women in the field are doing. I think it's so great that we have these social networks that have sprouted up in the last few years. So groups like the 500 Women Scientists are doing a lot of really fantastic work to just showcase what women are doing in both advancing research, but also in terms of breaking down a lot of barriers that I think might have deterred women from pursuing STEM fields in the past. I started out with a biology major, found that when I got to my upper division coursework, I just was not that thrilled to keep doing lab work that was really oriented toward pre-med students. So I jumped ship into the environmental studies department after a lot of agonizing about it. And I was there able to do a lot of applied projects, so there was a big emphasis on being faced with a problem and having to come up with a way to solve it. And so I found that sort of integration of lots of different fields really interesting and fun. But unfortunately, we're still in a world where when presented with a resume from a male candidate and a female candidate that have essentially the same background and experiences, that both men and women who are reviewing those applications tend to perceive the male candidate as being more qualified. It's better, in my opinion, to be aware of those issues so that we can start to work to dismantle those. It's so important that you find a mentor who is going to challenge you professionally, but also is going to be supportive of your personal goals. Maintaining your close family ties and friendships is super important, and meeting other students and engaging and socializing. Those are things that are really a special part of the process. I also really had a fantastic teacher for 1st through 3rd grade. One really fond memory I have from his class was taking a field trip to this local park that had all these layers of sedimentary shale rock, and those are really great at capturing fossils. He would just feed off of that curiosity and teach around the questions that were raised by us as students. And yeah, there was never a stupid question, which I think is really key to inspiring sort of a scientific approach. It's just such a bright spot to see the work that is happening, the progress that is being made. This fosters a lot of connection among women in STEM in local regions, but also allows these now just global relationships to be forged that are really inspiring to see.